Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to perform ear tip fit test on your headphones XIAOMI Buds 3T Pro. You have to start by open the application and now go to additional settings. Now click on ear tip fit test in the second line. Now put your headphones to your ears and after that click continue. Now it will play some song here, so just click start and be silenced. And as you can see, I have a feedback, so I can change a tip and try it again or make something else. When you finish, click just done, or you can start it again by click this second button. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.